Uh, going to Sujay. Sujay, you know what? There's a guy sitting behind me. He's asking me to, poking me to ask the question to you. And you know what this guy is? This guy's name is Simon Sinek. He's saying, start with the why. And he's asking me to ask Sujay, what's his why? Why is he doing what he is doing?
Why am I doing what am I doing?
Why are you doing what you're doing? So what's your why? What's your calling?
I mean, so this answer can be split in many dimensions, but I'll tell you a very simple why we are doing it, right? So maybe two different ways to look at it. So I'll keep the whole business part of it and that kind of thing out, right, for now. Uh, so for last good 10 to 12 years, I've been writing code and I've been running large teams which use cloud. And we have seen this problem again and again. You know, the shared responsibility principle. And particularly now that many organizations have, let's say, a lot of cloud accounts or multiple cloud providers. A month ago, MasterCard was banned out of India. I don't know if you have read this in the news because they were not keeping Indian consumer data on in the Indian soil. So now the apps have to be deployed in multiple geographic regions, right? So we started to see this problem. I started to see this problem along with my co-founder. I'm like, this is a pain. You know, if innovation has to happen, security cannot be left behind. Security is important. So there should be tools available to the people who are driving innovation, right? To entrepreneurs like us, to companies out there. We should build a platform which is easy to use and which can help them, you know, be more secure. Now, the meta thought around this is normally our experience tells us that many times, like developers, I'll just use the word developers. So developers have to choose between a application and a secure application because a lot of security comes at a cost. Security is not, again, it is not easy to just acquire or get. So one of our calling is, can we have a way where our users, developers, InfoSec people, DevOps, whatever, like, you know, they don't have to choose between a application and a secure application, right? So can security be like, yeah, I can use a tool like CloudNX and do better with my consumers' data, right? So I think there was definitely a business opportunity, but also all the experience which we went through and saw that how difficult it is to do it by yourself, right? You know, you need a better tool out there.
All right. So it was clearly a problem which you guys were undergoing yourself, and you could not find a solution to it for a very long time, and you thought we got to roll our sleeves and do it ourselves.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. So I mean, we saw this. We were doing this again and again at the places we were working, and given that only 10% of applications are on the cloud yet so far. So if somebody says that, oh, cloud has evolved a lot, not at all. 90% of the applications need to go on cloud, right? There's a long way we have to go, and somebody needs to build tools to make them secure, I guess.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that, Sujay. Thank you very much.